Hello everyone, I am Domalama and today I'll be presenting the Godawari Water Supply Project through a hybrid groundwater recharge, solar pumping and smart metering. This video map will walk you through the project purposes, its challenges and how the hybrid model strengthen environmental, social and financial sustainability. So first of all, I would like to give a brief introductions of my project. So the Godawari Water Supply Project was originally designed to improve reliability by using springs and distributions pipelines, but with rising demand and increasing climate unpredictability, the system needs a more resilient and sustainable approach. In these presentations, I'll be using the environmental, social, and financial or ESF framework to assess how the project can be upgraded. The hybrid solutions we propose integrates groundwater recharge, solar power, and smart metering. Overall, this approach strengthens client resilience, reduces inefficiencies, and support national goals for sustainable urban development in Nepal. So this section outlines the core components of the project. The hybrid models builds on the existing Godari systems but enhance it with three major upgrades: groundwater recharge to stabilize aquifers, solar powered pumping to reduce energy cost and emissions, smart metering to improve monitoring, fairness, and efficiency. Therefore, together, these components create a more reliable and climate adaptive water supply system for Lalitpur in Nepal. So my task in this assignment was to evaluate the project using the ESF framework. This means looking at environmental impact, social outcomes, and financial feasibility. The goal was to determine whether the hybrid model is practical, sustainable, and beneficial for the community. So these are the resource and tasks that has been created from the MS Project software for my project plan. First, through the stakeholder analysis. Here, I have analyzed the key stakeholders that are involved in this project. This includes local households, community groups, municipal authorities, water suppliers, and environmental regulators. Each stakeholder has different interests, from reliable water access to cost saving to environmental protections. Understanding these perspectives helps ensure that the project is inclusive and that benefits are shared fairly within the project through stakeholder analysis. Financial analysis. So this slides outlines the key resources required for implementations, including technical expertise, community participations, funding, and monitoring tools. The success of the hybrid models depends on strong coordinations between technical teams, local authorities, and the community. So, in the financial analysis, I examined the cost and long term savings associated with the hybrid model. While the initial investment is higher, the project becomes more effective over time due to reduced electricity expenses, lower maintenance needs, and improved efficiency through smart metering. This makes the hybrid model financially viable and sustainable in the long. So every project comes with risks. For this one, the main risk includes climate variability, technical failure, and community acceptance. However, these risks can be managed through proper maintenance, continuous monitoring, and strong community engagement. So, by identifying those risks early, the project becomes more resilient and easier to manage. And therefore, this slides revisits the task to emphasize the importance of integrating ESF considerations throughout the project. It reinforces that the hybrid model is not just a technical upgrade, it's a holistic approach that balances environmental protection, social equity, and financial sustainability. And to conclude my project, the hybrid model effectively addressing rising water demand, climate variability, and increasing operational cost in Lalitpur. The ESF analysis shows that the project can deliver measurable environmental benefits like healthier aquifers and lower carbon emissions, as well as social benefits such as fair access and stronger community involvement. So, to also during in my project plan, there are some key recommendations, to become, to make my project successful within the ESF framework. And the key recommendations are like increase groundwater recharge capacity to boost climate resilience, improve digital data analytics for better consumption management, involve more community members in monitoring and decision making. So overall, the hybrid models offers a sustainable and future-ready solutions for the Godawari water supply system in this project.